Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to try the different color pinks from Mia Secret, and I'm really excited to try these because I'm trying to again bring stuff that everybody can get on the channel. So this is Candy Pink, and I haven't opened any of them. Will I be able to get this? Oh, I will. Okay. Okay, I'm here for it. And since I just tilted the jar, normally I try to keep my jars up straight for quite some time. But this is a nice see-through pink. I'm gonna show you pink one step real quick. Is that one step? Yeah. So you can see it's definitely more jelly. This is pink one step. This is the Candy Pink. So let's go ahead and test that bad boy. All right. So I am going to bring you in. We'll lighten it up. Okay. So gonna just drag it on like I normally do. This would be a really nice pink and white color because I like my pink and whites to be a little bit more pink. I'm trying to feel the viscosity. So here is the viscosity, aka how much give it gives. Haha, say that 5 times fast. But this will be how it self-levels essentially. Put that little pillow on there. Push it down. Okay, so it does have some self-leveling, not overpowerful, or I should say overpowering, but it does have a little bit. And I'm walking it down. To be honest, I thought this would be more pink. Like putting it on here definitely is not as pink as I was expecting, if I'm gonna be honest here. So this is definitely a very see-through pink. I'm okay with that though. Let's pop that bubble. Okay. We'll let that self-level for a second. All right, next one is Cover Blush, which I think this is going to be my favorite of them. I haven't really seen swatches of them, so I'm curious to see. User error here. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly what I was expecting to see from this. So this is a really, really nice color from what I can see in the jar. Let's check out the viscosity. So it definitely self-levels some. You can see it kind of disappearing. So I like self-leveling. I did say I was getting a little bit more into builder gels, but I have to state the facts here that I do love a good self-leveling gel. Okay, this is really pretty. It's a little bit thicker than the other one when I'm putting it on. Not necessarily a bad thing, just different. And that's the color. I almost don't feel like I need to build it up because I don't think the color is going to change. Like I'm okay with that a little bit extra. I do have a couple divots in there, but I don't think I'm really gonna worry about that. Next is Cover Tan. I am far from tan, so this will be interesting to see on my skin tone. Should have just done it from the beginning. It's fine. This one's on good. Ooh, okay. Okay. Yes, I know I got it down the side. Look at how pretty that color is. That's like a rosy pink. Okay, let's do viscosity. Pretty good. Not too fast, but it definitely does move. It's funny, someone asked why I don't swatch underneath. I think it's just out of habit. My life would probably be so much easier. But I do actually, I got a recommendation to do, I like this color a lot. This might be my favorite color. I got a idea to do matte on the other side. Yeah, I like this color. Okay, let me just drag it down. I know I keep messing with it, and the more you mess with something, the worse it's gonna look. This is absolutely my favorite color. This is the color I like to do my pink and whites with. Like a powerful pink, but like dusty. So I'll be curious to see how this works out. Yeah, this might be my favorite. That's a shock, because usually I'm not a tan, but I guess this is still a pink-ish color, so. All right, so these are your colors. This being your deepest one, which is that tan color. So these two actually look very similar, but they are not. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and bring these in. So it's almost like, I think it's pretty close to the same color for all of them. It's just the opacity that I feel is different. Like these two look very, very similar. This one might have a touch more pink, which is your tan. So your tan, your blush, and your candy pink. I like them. I think the only one, if I'm gonna be honest here, that I would repurchase would probably be this one, which is that tan. And it's because it's a really pretty pink, and I think it would be a really good option to cover your nail bed. So if you're building out this one in the blush, I think would be great. But if you want just a thin coat, I think your cover tan is gonna be the best one. So these were the three that were on the listing. I will link them below because obviously everyone's gonna have different preferences. So yeah, I'm happy with them. I definitely will use them. I'm not sad I got them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.